it's not about the water. You don't want to use too much water, and I'm just using dishwashing liquid. I'm going to put a heap of that in. Lots. You can see I'm making lots of bubbles. And what we're actually going to use to clean is the bubbles, not the water. Now I'm going to do it on this chair because the cat sits on this chair. So I've already vacuumed it, so any big bits are off, but you can see up here on the sides it gets a bit grubby. So I've just scooped up bubbles, that's all. You'll want to do it on yours where the marks are, like the edge. So I'm going to put that on, and just with my fingers, I'm going to rub it on. And don't just do the spot where the stain is, do the whole seat. Just try it on one first. I wouldn't do it on the arms yet, because you can cover those with just a little throw. See, it easily just makes more bubbles. All you do is put your hand in and give a little swish, because I put so much in there. So I've done the whole top of that. I'm going to do up the sides. These bits are the bits she likes to touch, so they're kind of... I wouldn't use a brush or anything because you'll just damage the fabric. A white towel handy, but I've just got an old tea towel that's clean. A white one. Just put that on. So the idea is to soak up as much moisture as you can. So the problem that you've got is actually if you have too much fluid on it. And you take that, smells really good. And actually where I've just wiped, I can see dirt that's come up onto here. See that? Can you see that?
Yeah, well, at least you do that.
So that's clean.
Okay.
So it's a good, now I'm going to leave that now. When it's dry, I'll go over it again tomorrow. That's the dishwashing liquid that I have used. It's just more, it smells nice. Okay. Good luck. See ya.